Today, we're going to show you the EGR RollTrac bed cover. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage. And yes, today we're going to be talking about the EGR RollTrac bed cover or tonneau cover. Now this is the most advanced tonneau cover available on the market for the Jeep Gladiator. And there are many reasons why. First off, it's an electric roll top. You simply push the buttons on the rail top and the roll top's going to open and close, and it does it electrically. Second, for security, it's going to tie into your OE Jeep central locking system. You close the roll top and then push that door lock button on your key fob and the RollTrac top is locked. And it's not going to unlock until you push one of the unlock buttons. And that's going to secure any cargo you have in the bed. Now to help hold items above the bed cover, EGR has added in the industry standard T-slots on both the right and left bed rails. Now these T-slots, they'll accept Rhino-Rack, Thule, Yakima, and other cargo rack manufacturers' accessories for universal T-slot configurations. They have also centered the T-slots over the bed rails. That's going to give them the same weight rating as the OE bed rails. And on this Gladiator, that's 750 pounds. Now the aluminum slats that make up the bed cover itself, they're strong and they have a max weight rating of 330 pounds. And that easily supports my 6'6", 235 pound frame. However, the slats are a moving item, so EGR does suggest that if you're going to carry weight above the cover, to use the T-slot rails and one of the compatible T-slot rack systems. To help make this bed cover even more secure, the bed cover itself is bolted in place. There's no clamps used, and it's all bolted in underneath the cover. There is no exterior mounting hardware at all. For materials, the roll top itself is constructed of aluminum. The RollTrac canister on the underside is injection molded composite plastic, and that's to help lighten the assembly. For the final finish, EGR uses a UV stable powder coating that has been tested in the harshest conditions to ensure it'll last a long time in all weather extremes. Now, one thing that can plague roll top bed covers is water control. Keeping the water away from the internals of the bed cover itself and away from your cargo. Now EGR has equipped the RollTrac top with 4 drains, one at each corner, and they're large size, and that's going to help drain the water away from the bed cover, and from your bed it's going to drain it right out onto the ground. The RollTrac motor itself is efficient, and there is a smart power system that will not operate if battery voltage drops below 10 volts. As a safety measure, there is a manual override located inside the bed at the canister. Simply push in the clutch disengagement lever and then push the lid open. To re-engage, pull the lever back out, and then you'll have to go through the simple calibration settings. One more safety measure is EGR's anti-pinch system, which will stop the cover if resistance is encountered, protecting you and your cargo. The EGR RollTrac for the Gladiator also includes a locking utility box at the very front of the bed cover. It's perfect for storing tools, straps, or other items you want quick access to. Yes, the EGR RollTrac cover is one advanced tonneau cover. And EGR is so confident in their product, they back the RollTrac with their 3-year warranty on materials and workmanship. We do carry the EGR RollTrac electric bed covers here at Northridge 4x4. If you'd like more information, click on the link in the description box below. You can also leave us a comment down in that comment section or reach out to us via email. We'd love to hear from you, and we're always happy to help. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.